Bareilly schools closed till December 20 amid dense fog and cold wave. UP to set up first forest university in Gorakhpur at rupees 500 crore cost. CLAT 2026 topper Gitanjali Gupta credits task-based study, not fixed hours for AIR1. IIM Kashipura launched fifth batch of executive MBA in analytics for working professionals. From H1B visa to billionaire, the rise of Jyoti Bansal. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and here are today's top news. Schools across Bareilly districts up to class 8 have been ordered to remain closed till December 20 due to dense fog and severe cold. Following an official directive by the district administration, the order applies to all government, aided and private schools issued on the directions of Direct Magistrate Avinash Singh and confirmed by Basic Education Officer Dr. Vinita. Authorities warned of strict action against any violation. Though pre-scheduled examinations will continue as planned, the region has witnessed persistent fog, poor visibility and biting cold winds for 2 days, with Tuesday recorded as the coldest day in the decade at 16.3 degrees Celsius. An orange alert has been issued with residents advised caution. Uttar Pradesh will establish its first forest university in Gorakhpur, marking a major step in strengthening environmental and forestry education. Announced by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the university will be built on 125 acres in the Jatayu Conservation and Breeding Center, will be focusing on forestry, wildlife ecology and climate studies. The state government has finalized the detailed project report with an estimated cost of rupees 500 crore and draft University Act is under final review. Once approved, tenders and construction will begin. The campus will offer degrees in diploma programs in forestry, agroforestry, horticulture and conservation, supported by hostel laboratories, research facilities and field-based training, positioning it as the national level center of forest education. Gitali Gupta, a 17-year-old from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan, secured AIR1 in CLAT 2026 with 112.75 out of 119 by following an unconventional task-based study approach instead of fixed study hours. A class 12 humanities student, she chose law due to her interest in debating political science and civics, with political science as her favorite subject. Strong in mathematics, quantitative techniques became her best CLAT section. While GK remained challenging, she began focusing on preparation in later class 11, balancing school and coaching with self-study. Gitali emphasized mock analysis, mental well-being and measured social media use. NLU Bengaluru is her top choice, though corporate law and government service remain options. IIM Kashipur has launched the fifth batch of its 2-year executive MBA analytics program in collaboration with New Learn amid working professionals, entrepreneurs and graduates with at least 3 years of experience. The program focuses on building advanced analytical and managerial skills through a globally benchmarked curriculum covering business analytics, AI, machine learning, deep learning, management and strategy. Delivered through a blended learning model, it includes live online classes, 6 on-campus immersions and around 900 contract hours across 6 terms. Participants can choose from 40 plus electives and receive full alumni benefits. Admissions are open with the total program fee set at rupees 12.35 lakh. Jyoti Bansal, an IIT computer science graduate from a small town Rajasthan, built $2.3 billion tech fortune after arriving in the US at an H1B visa with limited resources. Inspired by IIT Global Tech icons, he moved to Silicon Valley but could only start a company after securing a green card. In 2008, he founded App Dynamics, whose real-time software monitoring tools attracted clients like Netflix and led to a $3.7 billion sale to Cisco in 2017. Bansal later founded Harness, an AI-driven software delivery platform valued at 5.5 billion and co-founded Traceable, Big Labs and Unusual Ventures. Now, a US citizen, mentor, investor and patent holder, Bansal advocates open immigration for innovation-driven growth.